Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a Mexican dish. It's called Alambre and it's just a mixture of onions, bell peppers and flank steak. I hope you like it. I hope you can give it a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start by cutting the steak into strips, or you can cut it in chunks if you want to. Whatever you decide is fine. You can either place the strips or chunks in a container, and then we're going to season them with black pepper and salt to taste. Then give it a stir so all the strips or chunks will be really well seasoned. And then we're going to pour about 2 or 3 cups of beer onto the steak strips. You want to use enough beer to cover the meat. And then after that, we're just going to marinate the steak for about 1 hour before cooking it. So while the meat is marinating, now we're going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. So over here I have the onion. I'm going to cut it into 1-inch chunks. So I'm just going to dice it into 1-inch chunks. And then after that, just set it aside for a minute. And then after that, we're going to mince the garlic cloves. And you want to mince it really well, really finely. And then when you're done, just set it aside for a minute. And then after that, we're going to continue to work with the bell peppers. We're going to remove the stems, the seeds, and the veins from the inside of the bell peppers. So after you remove all the stems, the seeds, and veins from each pepper, now we're going to cut them into chunks about the same size as the onion chunks. And I'm using 5 bell peppers, all in different colors. So like I said, I'm just going to cut all the bell peppers about the same size as the onion. And then over here I have all the peppers ready. And then I also have the onion and the garlic. So after the meat has been marinating for at least 1 hour, now we can cook the alambre. So in a large skillet on medium-high heat, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And once the oil is nice and hot, now we'll cook the onion for about 2 minutes, stirring frequently. You want the onion to get softened and a little bit translucent. So after 2 minutes or so, the onion should be softened. Now we're going to add in the garlic, and we'll continue to cook this for another 2 more minutes, just so the garlic will become translucent and aromatic. Then after 2 minutes, now we're going to add in the bell peppers. Give everything a stir and then season with salt and pepper to taste. And then we'll cook this for about 3 or 4 minutes or until the peppers have the consistency that you want. I like my peppers to be kind of crunchy, so I only cook them for about 3 minutes. But if you want them to be softer, feel free to cook them for a longer time, until they have the consistency that you want. Like I said, I'm only going to cook them for about 3 minutes because I want them to be kind of crunchy. So once the peppers are ready, now we're going to remove everything from the skillet. Just set it aside for a minute. And then in the same skillet, now we're going to add in another splash of extra virgin olive oil. And then right in there, we're going to cook the meat. We're going to cook the steak in batches, a few strips at a time. And we will only cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side until they are well cooked. Like I said, I'm cooking the meat in batches, a few strips at a time. I'll just continue to cook it until I have all the strips cooked. And then when you're done, remove the meat from the skillet. And once all the strips are done, now we're going to clean up the skillet a little bit. I'm just cleaning the skillet with a paper towel. And once you clean it up, now we're going to bring all the ingredients back into the skillet. We're going to add in the onions, the bell peppers, and the garlic together with the meat strips. Then give it a stir until all the ingredients are well combined. And then we're going to continue to cook this on high heat until everything is well heated through. And once everything is well heated through, now this is ready. You can serve it. And this is how it looks. As you can see, it looks amazing and it smells even better. I'm going to serve this in tacos with corn tortillas and my favorite salsa. And this is perfect for any special occasion or any day of the week. I really recommend it. I hope you can give it a try. Enjoy. To print this and some more delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.